Is 9 raised to power x minus x raised to power 4 is equal to 65. And we're about to solve for the values of x. Okay. Now, first things first, we can say from here that 9 is equal to 3 squared. So we're going to have 3 squared raised to power x minus x raised to power 4 can be expressed as x raised to power 2 all raised to the power of 2 is equal to 65. Okay. Now from here we can say that when you have this, you can re-express this as 3 raised to power x squared minus x raised to power 2 squared is equal to 65. Okay. I say that this becomes 3 raised to power x minus x raised to power 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power x plus x raised to power 2 is equal to 65. 3 raised to power x minus x raised to power 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power x plus x squared is equal to 13 times 5. Okay. Now, 13 here should be equal to the bigger number, which is when this is plus, and the smaller number is equal to 5, which when this is minus. Okay. So let's equate that quickly. So we have that 3 raised to power x plus x raised to power 2 is equal to 13, and 3 raised to power x minus x raised to power 2 is equal to 5. Okay. Now let's add this up. If you add this up, we now have that this becomes equal to 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power x, and this is equal to 13 plus 5 is 18. So from here we can now say that our 3 raised to power x is equal to 9. 3 raised to power x here will now be equal to 3 squared. Our x will be equal to 2. Okay. So we can bring back the second equation to check it. So we have that 3 raised to power x minus x squared is equal to 5. Let's test if this 2 is correct. Okay. Put 2 here, we have 3 squared minus 2 squared. Okay. Is equal to what? 3 squared is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay. So you have that x equal to 2 is the correct answer to this equation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.